Two cosmetic manufacturers. Same product, same customer, same deadline, but very different outcomes. Everything starts the same until the real work begins. Factory A starts searching for information. Factory B starts making decisions. Factory A discovers problems during execution. Factory B identifies them during planning. When quality issues occur, speed matters. One company guesses, the other knows. Compliance isn't tested when things go right. It's tested when questions get asked. The difference wasn't the product. It wasn't the people. It wasn't the market. The difference was visibility, because manufacturers don't lose time making products. They lose time chasing information.